Kielismob van de Nachtegaal zat. Promising half-brother of the Grand Prix show jumper Zypern III. This colt Kielismob van de Nachtegaal zat was bred from the same dam as the international Grand Prix mare Zypern III, which achieved great results with Jur Frieling and nowadays Matteo Leonardi. His dam Ramel has also foaled other international show jumpers, and Grand Dame Mykene was an international show jumper at 140 level herself. Combined with his successful performance family is the very valuable stallion Kassander van Roosakker. He represents one of world's best dam lines, has performed in international classes with Gregory Wattele, and passes on a lot of quality and scope to his offspring.